They've opened a spade against you, and you've got two beautiful 5-card suits, ace, queen, 5th of hearts, and ace, 5th of clubs. 10 points. But with these two suits, let's try a Michael's Q bid. That means we actually bid the same suit as has been opened, 2 spades. This will show 5 cards in hearts at least, and 5 in a minor. So it's gone 4 spades on our left. Now partners bid 4 no trumps. That's certainly not Blackwood asking for aces. What it's saying is, I don't want to play hearts. I know you've got hearts, but I want to play whichever minor suit you've got. So you'd bid 5 clubs. Partner will have diamonds and clubs for this bid. Yeah, sure enough, they've got very good diamonds and very good clubs. So we are in 5 clubs. We've got 1 spade loser because luckily South has a singleton spade and we can trump after that. We don't know where the diamond ace or queen are, so we can actually only afford to lose 1 diamond trick. We're going to lose 1 spade trick, so we can't lose a club trick. That means the king has to be on our right, and we need to take the club finesse. So let's follow suit. We have to work hard on this hand. Lose the spade. They're playing another spade. So trumpet. Now, we need to cross over to the north hand, so play the 5 of hearts to the king, and now a club, the queen of clubs perhaps. There's the king, ace. Now we want to stay in this hand, so play the 10 to draw the last trump, and we need to check the diamonds. We can only afford to lose 1 diamond trick. Now that's a bit hard because we're missing the ace and the queen and we don't know where they are, but our right-hand opponent did open the bidding. So let's play the 2 of diamonds and see what happens. Try the jack. Oh, luckily our right-hand opponent had the ace. We knew they'd have something big in diamonds because they've opened the bidding. So play the ace of hearts and discard a diamond. And we've actually got the rest of the tricks. Play the queen of hearts. Nobody's got any trumps left. We can now trump a heart. Play the king of diamonds. And, oh, there's the queen falling, okay. Play the 10 of diamonds. And we've got the rest of the tricks. So Michael's worked really well. The north hand had both minors, so they weren't interested in hearts, but they were very interested in whichever minor we had. We had to play the hand carefully though.